Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Lock Tech. We're back at it again. I can't believe it's finally happening. After all these years of waiting, delays that seems like we were waiting for, like, I was waiting for at least 5 decades because delays and dates keep getting pushed back. They're finally opening a new micro center. I'm going to head over there. They're opening a new one in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm going to head over there and get a first look at my first ever micro center. For y'all old heads over there who are geeks at heart from back in the day, y'all, if you're familiar, y'all may have remembered the store called Tiger Direct. Rest in peace, Tiger Direct. There's no longer any Tiger Direct anymore. But when I was a kid, walking into a Tiger Direct for me was like a geek heaven. Because I started getting love for computers and technology at an early age. And Tiger Direct was like the creme de la creme for me back then. Before any micro center, before any new got blown up or anything like that as far as popularity wise. It was Tiger Direct, it was a thing, and I loved always going there with my friends growing up. And now, finally, one like the mother of all geek heaven technology stores is finally opening a branch that I can get to with no ease, with no hard long trip, for like an hour flight or whatever. But still, I cannot wait because I'm going to give you all shot by shot footage. Me walking in. The side, how outside looks, all the layout inside looks. Y'all gonna get all the goodies when my when I do the coverage, because this is just a little pre game before the actual full footage. But I just wanna express how excited I am for this. And right now, even I wish Zen 5 was out already. I would already bought it if I went to store today. But today is just like an observing trip to see what it's like because it's my first time. But all's good because next month Zen 5 comes out. I'm hoping AMD, like they did last gen, announce both the new gen processors and the new gen GPUs in the same year. Usually they release the GPUs on the latter side of the year, like Q4. I'm hoping we get some sort of breadcrumbs because, you know, Computers was going on this week. I saw a lot of good footage from other YouTube tech people, and I love the footage that I've been seeing. I'm really excited to see the new stuff that I got shown in those videos. I just can't wait till the new stuff get released. There are a lot of things that I would love to get, but I gotta wait and keep being patient. So Zen 5 comes out next month. Hopefully we get a date. Because they just told us it's July. So hopefully we get a date soon, coming up to close to July or whatever, like an expected date, exact pricing, all the good stuff that, you know, we geek enthusiasts like to, you know before taking our hard-earned money and buying stuff. But that's enough of that. I am gonna hit y'all back up when I get down there. I hope y'all are excited as I am. I cannot wait to see this environment spread out in front of me as far as all the tech goodies and whatnot. Because come when these new gen stuff release, best believe I'm gonna be upgraded and going over the micro center and get my parts there instead of worrying about shipping and worry about taxes for shipping and stuff like that. Why don't I just go to the place and physically buy it? Then you won't have to worry about sales taxes, so you can't skip taxes, but you know what I mean. But anyway, I'll see y'all out there. Can't wait to share this experience with you guys. I don't know if y'all ever been to a micro center, but if you haven't, I'm sure you'll be excited as I am. I'm looking forward to see you there. Part 2 is coming in a matter of minutes. See y'all soon.